In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing information on Fiverr. Whether you're a buyer or seller, keeping your billing details up to date ensures smooth transactions and helps keep everything organized. Let's dive into the process and make this task as straightforward as possible for you. First, you'll want to navigate to Fiverr's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile picture. It's usually a small icon or thumbnail. Click on this to access a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Billing and Payments. By selecting this, you'll be directed to the section where all of your payment and billing settings are managed. It's important to note that this is where you can monitor your transactions and manage which payment methods you use most conveniently. Once in the Billing and Payments section, you'll see the option for Billing Information. Click on it. This area is crucial as it houses all the information that appears on your invoices and receipt for your records or tax submissions. Keeping it updated is not just good practice, but in many cases, necessary for compliance. Now, you'll see an editable form where you can update your personal details. This includes your name, address, country, company name, and tax ID. As you make changes, ensure every field required is filled out accurately. These details need to match the ones on your credit card or bank account, as discrepancies could cause issues with your payments. Before you wrap up, take a moment to check a small but significant box. There should be an option indicating if you want invoices to be emailed directly to you. If you're someone who likes to keep digital records or needs to submit expenses regularly, checking this box can save you time later on. Finally, once you've double-checked all the information and you're satisfied everything is correct, scroll down to find the Save button. Clicking Save will ensure all your updates are stored in the system, preventing any future payment hiccups. And with that, you're all set. Your billing information on Fiverr is now updated, helping you maintain organized records and smooth operations, whether buying or selling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Happy navigating!